Hi guys, this is Taryn. I wanted to go over question 11 of the quiz. It says, please visit Georgetown University's online Blue Book Guide. Go to their website. In the navigation panel on the left side of the website, click to expand the menu under citing cases and then click unpublished opinions according to the Georgetown Blue Book Guide. Which Blue Book rule explains how to cite an unpublished opinion? Please type the full number of the specific rule below, including subparts. So my answer was 10.8.1a, which was incorrect. And then on the other attempt, I put 10.8.1a and b. So both of them were wrong, and I received no credit. So let's go. I've already opened up Georgetown Blue Book and I clicked on citing cases first, and then unpublished opinion. And so here it says, while you will most often cite the cases in reporters, only a small percentage of cases are actually designated for publication by a court and published in a reporter. Many cases are unpublished but still available in databases such as Westlaw, Lexis, Bloomberg Law, or elsewhere. Rule 10.8.1 describes how to cite an unpublished case, and there are examples in the chart at the beginning of Rule 10, page 95. And so here I thought that I just was reading quickly and going through it quickly. And it says a citation to an unpublished case that is available in Westlaw, Lexis, Bloomberg, or another widely used electronic database. Rule 10.8.1a has the following 5 elements. But I chose 10.8.1a as my answer, and it was incorrect. And so here at the bottom, how I got my answer, I just quickly read through and said, for how to cite specific pages in unpublished opinion, see Rule 10.8.1a and 10.8.1b. And so I just put that answer down. The answer was Rule 10, page 95 is what I got. So Rule 10 should be the answer. And when I looked in my blue book, I turned to page 95, and there it is in my blue book. It describes how to cite an unpublished case. So it was Rule 10. So that's the question I got wrong, and I just wanted to show you how I got it wrong.